Welcome to Black Diesel Garage. Today I figured I'd just take a bunch of random metal lying around to scrap to clean things up. So, got a couple big pieces I'm gonna throw in. So if you just wanna watch me mess around, goof off, cleaning stuff up, and struggle, stay tuned. Here we go. By the way, these are some old racing mowers. I'm keeping them. This one used to have big three-wheeler tires on the back, or rear tires on the front that were V-tread as well, and it went about 15 miles per hour. And then this one over here has a twin cylinder in it. It was gonna get pipes, one's underneath on either side, and it used to have duals and dual fenders on the back, and it went about 50 miles per hour. And it's just a junk mower I'm throwing in. Don't worry, it's not heavy. I just make it look that way. Closer. Now, the bumper won't be bad. Transmission might be a little heavy. Exhaust won't be bad. Old seat won't be bad. Cab will sit here. I will load that front clip. And could be wrong, but I don't think I'm picking up that 351 Windsor. So I have 460 laying around that I don't know if I will end up using in something or not. But here's the radiator to that 460. So might as well. And if you're someone who watches the channel regularly, this truck here was on a 1-ton frame. I put underneath my first pickup I ever owned, my high school pickup basically. A 1970 Ford, and it kind of a cringy video, but it'd be the first video on this channel. Just kind of a walk around of what I've done to that so far and my future plans for that pickup. That's what this is, junk from that. Probably doesn't matter too much, but while I'm here, might as well separate the aluminum. I think I'll go ahead and pop that trans cooler or power steering cooler, whatever it is, off. I already had the ratchet out anyways. I've got some other random heavy stuff, so I'm gonna say that transmission can wait. Ranger bumper, 1970 Ford bumper. And that would be it for over here. metal dropped off, and I'm just fueling up now. I don't know if that will really make too much of a video, but thanks for watching Black Diesel Garage. If you enjoyed it, like it, and if you'd like to see more, just hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to get notified. Thank you all very much. Bye.